Hi guys, Tom Morrison here. It's very hard to clap while holding a pen and a phone, so we're going to skip on the clap. But here's how you can make your bodyweight training a lot more effective. So you're going to work off 70%. So if you do one testing set first of all, so say you're trying to get better at handstand push-ups, and you do one testing set and you can get 14 reps, that is your opening set. So from there, you're going to divide 14 by 100, then times it by 70, and that is going to give you your 70% of that. So 70% of 14 is about 9.8. So from that, you can start to work out your sets. So 9.8, that's pretty close to 10. So you're going to do 5 sets of 10 reps. Now, keep in mind you've already done your opening set as a tester set, so you cut that down to 4 sets of 10 reps. The time that you do after that, then you want to go for 5 sets of 11 reps. The time after that, try and add another rep, and that's how you can gradually start to increase. And this works with many, many different movements. Say for example, you could do, say, 25 just normal push-ups in a row. So again, you've got 25. That's your opening set. I can do 25 push-ups in one go. Then from there, you want to divide by 100 times by 70 to work out the 70%. Then that's going to give you roughly 17.5. So then your sets can be sets of 17. So you can go for 4 sets of 17, and then the time you do it after that, you can do 5 sets of 18, and then every time you do it, try and add a rep. So that's how you can make your bodyweight training a lot more effective. And again, even with lower sets and stuff like that as well, so it's 11, 70% of 11 is roughly 7.7. That's going to give you your sets of 7.7. So don't get too hard on yourself. Say you can only get 5 sets of 7 rather than 5 sets of 8. It's absolutely fine. As long as you're adding a rep on each time you hit that movement, you're going to start getting better at it. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. Let me know.